Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by selecting the table area you intend to change. Click any cell in the table so Excel shows table tools. Once done, press Ctrl+A to highlight every table row. If you only want specific rows, click the row number and drag to select them. Make sure to glance at filters and formulas now so you understand dependencies. This prevents surprises later and lets you decide whether to remove rows, clear contents, or adjust filters first. Now you perform the deletion with safe options. Right-click and pick Delete Table, Rows to remove entries, but keep the table structure intact. Alternatively, use Home, right arrow delete sheet rows when you need to remove worksheet rows entirely. If you applied filters, first press Alt+, or go to Special, right arrow visible cells only so only shown rows are affected. You should also consider Convert to Range if you want normal rows afterward. This preserves values while removing table behavior. Finish by verifying table integrity. Check formulas and structured references to ensure they updated correctly, because deletions can produce #ref errors. If something looks wrong, undo with Ctrl+Z right away. That's your fastest safe rollback. Make sure to save a backup or use File right arrow info right arrow version history before major deletions so you can restore. If you still encounter problems, inspect adjacent, named ranges and pivot tables, since they often retain references to deleted rows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.